We're Nick and Beck, and this is our van, Valerie. We're now back in our home province of Nova Scotia. So this week's adventure is close to home as we hike Cape Split in the Annapolis Valley. Consider subscribing to join our adventures every single week.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun it beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last.
We're a little rusty.
A little
bit rusty. We're kind of forgetting, we didn't latch the toilet, we didn't close the fans.
'Cause I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
What's going on, guys? My name's Nick.
I'm Beck.
And this is our channel, Nick and Beck. If you haven't seen any of our videos before, be sure to go back and check them out. We just recently actually got back from our cross Canada trip. We went all the way from Nova Scotia, which is where we're at now, to BC and back. So it was a pretty fun trip. Lots of videos on that if you're interested.
So today we are at the Lookoff currently in the Annapolis Valley with the plan of hiking Cape Split, which is a pretty well known trail around here. Yeah, it's a really nice day. It's
gorgeous.
Hot. It's, what is it, mid-November?
It's mid-November. Usually
and it's like 14 degrees out.
Yeah. It's usually pretty cold right around this time of the year, but it's actually very nice out today. It's humid, but it's very, very nice out.
Yeah, we're standing in the sun right now and I'm hot.
So, anyway, we're going to keep going. We're going to get to the Lookoff. We're going to park and get suited up. It's about a 4-hour hike.
We're going to get to Cape Split.
We're going to get to Cape Split. We're going to do the hike. It's about a 4...
We're at the Lookoff.
Anyway.
It's a 4-hour hike.
So.
And they just made a new trail. So you used to go on the same trail in and out. But now they've made it like a loop, so you get to walk on kind of the other side of the point.
I've honestly never done it before. Lived here my whole life. I've never once done it. So anyway, let's get to Cape Split.
Yeah, I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on.
It is very busy today. Well, I don't know if this is very normal. It's a very nice day, so I'm not surprised that there's a lot of people here for the fall anyway. So, we shall find a parking spot somewhere.
I think we're going to find one right over here. I think these are all parking spots.
Yeah. We're here. I saw some guy's shoes sitting outside his truck, which means they probably got soaked. It might be a little swampy because it did rain quite a bit. And we've yet to invest in hiking boots, really. So it's a sneaker Blundstone day. I'm going to start to try sneakers.
We'll be fine. We're going to wear sneakers. At least I'm going to wear sneakers. I'm going to break a pair of sneakers in on a 4-hour hike. There's been better things. Worse things. Worse things done. Better
Worse
things done.
things done. Okay.
So we're on the trail. We're hiking Cape Split. You guys just saw the sign back there. So looks like there is a loop.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a good walk. Anyway, there was a bunch of runners actually in the parking lot there. They're all running this, and some of them are actually running it for the second time.
Yeah. We're just going for a leisurely stroll.
We'll be lucky if we make it back.
No.
In 4 hours.
We haven't gone on a hike yet. Oh, I thought that was something. It's like, what's behind us?
There's a bear. No, luckily here in Nova Scotia, there's really no wildlife to be afraid of. We've got black bears.
Black bears, but
that's about it. So there's bobcats. I've lived here for 23 years. I've seen 2, and I've been in cars both times. So I don't think there's much wildlife here to be afraid of.
No. There's
There are coyotes, probably some pretty aggressive squirrels. That's about it. So Anyway,
0.5 kilometers.
0.5 kilometers.
I'm chasing down the reasons, answers for what makes this man.
What's across there? Cars, bro?
I am pretty sure. I will confirm though.
So all the way out there, that's Cape Split, is way far over there. So eventually we're gonna get to that,
So right now
but not quite yet.
we are. Yeah.
So this-
Parsboro is like a little further down. Right across from us is like Diligent River way, Port Greville.
Okay.
So to get to the other side though, you would have to drive all the way from where we are, all the way up to like Truro, past Truro, and you come around. There's a big split, which is the Minus Basin.
So this is one of the new look-offs. It's on the Minus Basin. This is the Minus Basin side of the Cape Split Trail. On the way back, we're gonna go on the Scots Bay side of the Cape Split Trail, and that is 7 kilometers of brand new loop. I'm not exactly sure when it was added, but in the past couple years here.
I think it was honestly like the past spring.
It might have been this past spring. It might have been like one of these COVID kind of things where we want to expand the trail systems around here. But anyway, here we are. It's a beautiful day outside. Blue skies, sunny. This is great. But the tide is on its way out currently. It's going to be low tide at 2 p.m. and I think high tide is 5 or 6 hours later.
I think it's around 8.
Yeah.
It's high tide. Next high tide.
So
We'll be long gone by then, but it gets dark at like 5 o'clock now.
yeah, we're going to be out of here by 5 o'clock because it's going to be pitch black.
Yeah.
So
It's definitely getting a little more muddy. We did acknowledge that it would have been much prettier to walk with the leaves when they were changing colors. However, some of the views you wouldn't have been able to see if there were leaves on the trees.
no,
So
we can see the water. Like, I'm not sure if the camera's going to be able to pick it
yeah,
up.
this isn't like the best spot, but for most of the trail you could look through and see the water. So that was nice, but
Plus, now the van's now done. Currently, we're not able to take as much time off and go on a super long trip. Weekend trips it is, and I'm pumped. This is really neat though. I've never been to Cape Split before. I've seen lots of photos of it, but I've never actually hiked the trail. So seeing this and doing this is really neat.
it's a world famous trail.
It is a world famous trail. So, what do you think?
I'm getting a little cold. It's definitely colder with the wind. Like when you're in the woods, it blocks the ocean breeze. It's just a little chilly, but it's still nice. I mean, there's no fog. When we pulled into the parking lot, it was quite foggy, but there's no fog. It's not that windy. I've been up here before when it's been like very windy and it's not enjoyable. So I'm happy. And there's no bugs. I've come up here before too, and it's been like bug swarms. So there's no bugs. It's great.
So it sounds like I lucked out on my very first time here. What do you say we catch the trail going down on the Scots Bay side? So just a little bit of information here. That side of the rock, that's the Minus Basin side, and then this whole side here, this is the Scots Bay side. So we're gonna hike back on the Scots Bay side of the trail. We hiked here on the Minus Basin trail. So Scots Bay trail is actually the new one. So maybe it won't be as muddy. Who knows? Let's get going.
Little garter snake?
Yeah, I think so.
Who do you think jumped more when they saw the snake? Me or Nick?
Becky grabbed me and jumped.
Nick. No.
You grabbed me and jumped, and I was
You
like,
went like
whoa!
this.
Yeah, I was trying to protect the camera from that little slithering fella.
Vote in the comments who you think's more scared of snakes.
Becky or me? Where are we going?
Lobster hole look off.
Let's go to the lobster hole look off.
It's the last look off before we get back to the parking lot.
Indeed.
So we're gonna go.
Let's get it. I wonder what kind of lobsters we're gonna see. It must be like lobster pots or something down here.
Yeah. It's definitely a little muddy, I must say.
We just finished off down here at, this is Lobster Bay, Lobster
Lobster
Cove.
hole look off.
That's the one, Lobster Hole look off.
Yep. That's the last one. Because I guess technically, we went on the old trail up and the new trail back. I think a lot of people do the new trail up and the old trail back. So this would have been like the first look off that you would have seen if you had done it that way, but
The last
our
one for us.
yeah.
So, not a problem, but the whole way out of here
It's pretty much uphill.
is pretty much uphill.
And it's really muddy.
So
I almost slipped like twice. But really good.
we're making it work. So yeah, we're almost out of the woods here. I think we've got, I mean, I can't even guess how many
It's
kilometers we
probably
have
about
left.
4, 3,
3 or 4 kilometers till we're out of here. Let's get out of the woods.
Waterfall, buddy.
Oh boy, one more. Don't fall. What do you think, Bex?
It's a good walk. I mean, it's definitely like a hike. I think, what did I say? They're moderately
Yeah, moderately
Rated.
difficult.
difficulty, but I'm pretty hungry now.
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry too.
Yeah.
So, what I'm surprised at though is how many cars there are still here. So, anyway, pretty neat.
Yes, sir.
Glad to be done.
To the end.
Let's go make some food. Well, we're back. Just making some Mr. Noodles right now. Actually, I'm pretty hungry. I know it's not really dinner, but we're not ready to make dinner yet. So, we're just gonna have a snack. And today's snack, ramen noodles, boiled water, good to go. So, overall though, that was a really, really good hike. I quite enjoyed myself. I'm gonna muck some Mr. Noodles, and then we're gonna go find a place to stay tonight. So we'll figure this all out when we get to where we're going. Time for Mr. Noodles.
Bye, Cape Split.
Keep split.
Burr.
Good.
We are at Houston's beach. So that's where we're gonna stay for the night. It's cold. I'm cold.
Yeah, the hike kind of took a lot out of us. It's only 10 degrees outside, but for some reason we both find it really cold.
Yeah.
But anyway, we should have a good sunrise in the morning here, I think.
I think I'll come.
If not, we'll have a really good fog show.
Oh yeah, it might be foggy.
But anyway, here we are. We're going to turn the heater on, get comfy, put the window blinds up, and make some dinner. I'm excited.
I'm gonna make some dinner.
I'm gonna put the window blinds up and turn the heater on. All right, Dexter, what's for dinner?
We have rice, broccoli, chicken, onions. Super fancy. I'm starving.
As am I. Thank you very much, Dexter.
And the cider. Maritime Express Cider Co. in Kentville.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Morning, guys. Drinking our coffee, going on a little morning walk. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning here in Nova Scotia. Sunrise was supposed to be at 7:13. Definitely did not rise the way we wanted it to. So, looking at a compass, east is directly behind that wall of rock, that cliff.
It's also very overcast.
So we missed the sunrise. That's how we were gonna end off today's video. If you enjoyed watching us hike Cape Split yesterday and are interested in watching any of our other videos, we spent the entire summer in the van. We went all the way from Nova Scotia, through Newfoundland, Labrador, across to British Columbia, and back. And we filmed the entire thing.
Most of it.
Most of it. So if you're interested in spending some time today going down a rabbit hole and you'd like to watch any of our videos, please feel free. Please like, comment if you're interested, comment if there's things we could improve, and yeah, subscribe. So thanks for coming along with our adventure today. We'll see you next week.